This is Villa La Estancia in Riviera Nayarit or Puerto Vallarta, Nuevo Vallarta. So each room has one gate, but we're staying at A. These guys are at B. I don't know if there's anyone there, but this is the main entrance to the hallway, and this is our door. It just locks. And this is the one bedroom suite. Comes with a full dining table. As you can see, there's a fridge. Full kitchen here. Sink. Old school coffee maker. I like it. There's a microwave. Electric oven. And you got your glasses and let's see what they got in here. No cookware. Oh, there's the cookware. If you wanted to cook something. Now, I'm assuming they have it set up like this because you can pick a non-all-inclusive package and just feed yourself. But we chose the all-inclusive, so we're probably not going to use any of this. There's some Tupperware, strainer, so full kitchen. Here's the fridge. Let's see what's in there. So leave you some of that. Beer, Coke, Sprite, water. Nothing in the freezer, but there is an ice maker if you need it. Not sure if you can turn this on or it's already... Yeah, it's already loaded. Already loaded with ice. There's a drawer right next to fridge, and it is a washer and dryer. And here's your iron. And there's an extra sink. What's here? Just the pantry, but nothing in there. And here is the first bathroom. Just a half bathroom, sink, toilet. Oh, and there is a shower in here. So this is the first guest bathroom. Here's your living room. Looks like about a 70-inch TV. And this is your master bedroom. That's a king-size bed. There's a sofa over there. Another TV in here. Your office desk, and here is the bathroom, full of big tub jacuzzi. It's like a two-seater. Here's the rest of the bathroom. You got double vanity sink, and you got your shower there, toilet there. Here's your safe, closet space. More closet space, extra pillows, extra blankets. There you go, there's two robes. Umbrellas. It's pretty complete. And let's go take a look. So we are staying on the first floor. We requested that. Pretty close to where all the action is, where all the restaurants are, etc. And this is our balcony. So first floor garden view. Got two lounge chairs. That's the lobby right there, so pretty close. And look at this, extends all the way down there. There's a pool right there. And this is the outdoor balcony. And unfortunately, this is what everybody was complaining about. This is just a divider barrier to the next room over. So hopefully no one's staying there. If they are, I mean, there's a barrier, but everybody was talking about that. In this specific room, we can just leave off the balcony and go straight to the pool. You don't gotta go around, we don't gotta do it. Okay, so it's Villa La Estancia, again, Puerto Vallarta, Riviera Nayarit. All inclusive